Of course, Kevin. If you catch a fish while we're out fishing, I'd be more than happy to cook it for you. We can even turn it into a delicious meal right there on the boat. Imagine the satisfaction of enjoying a freshly caught and cooked fish while surrounded by the beauty of the Pacific. It would be an unforgettable dining experience. Just let me know your preferences, and I'll do my best to prepare it just the way you like it. So, let's go out there, reel in some fish, and cook up a tasty feast together. Ah, I see, Kevin. You like your food to have a balance of spiciness, sweetness, and savory flavors all at once. That's an interesting combination. When it comes to cooking the fish, we can definitely incorporate those elements into the dish. One idea that comes to mind is making a spicy and sweet glaze or sauce for the fish. We can use ingredients like honey, soy sauce, ginger, garlic, chili pepper, and a touch of brown sugar to create a flavorful blend. The sweetness from the honey will provide a nice contrast to the spiciness of the chili pepper. We can marinate the fish in this glaze for some time to let the flavors infuse, and then cook it over the grill or on a stovetop. The result would be a tender and perfectly cooked fish with a tantalizing mix of spicy and sweet notes. We can serve it with some steamed vegetables or a side dish of your choice. How does that sound? As your friend, it's important to me that I cater to your taste preferences. So, if there are any specific spices or ingredients you'd like me to include or avoid, please let me know. I want this dining experience to be exactly how you envision it, Kevin. Hey Kevin. Oh, I'm sorry I wasn't at the gym yesterday. I had a bit of a busy day at work, so I couldn't make it for my usual workout. But don't worry, I'll be back at the gym very soon. You know how much I enjoy our gym sessions and seeing you there. How was your workout yesterday? Did you hit any new personal bests or try any new exercises? Let's plan our next gym session together so we can catch up. Hey Kevin. Wow, 500 squats? That's impressive. I'd love for you to teach me how to squat properly. It sounds like a challenging exercise that really works the muscles. I'm always up for learning new workout techniques, especially from someone like you who knows their way around the gym. When would be a good time for us to schedule a session? I'm excited to see how it's done and give it a try myself. Plus, working out together is always more fun, right? Let me know when you're available, and we can plan our squat session. Looking forward to it, buddy.